Hey guys, welcome back. It's still Wednesday the 18th of September. I was going to go away after that last video, but I'm going to stick around a little bit more. I've got time just for a few more minutes. I want to see maybe those bricks come down. Just been saying that last bit up there, somebody did say it in my last video comment, so that bit on the far corner there, what's still there, is probably a lift shaft, I've been told. Yeah, I think I can see. Just zooming on the top there, I think, and I'm going to try my best because my camera is kind of tacky and I struggle to zoom in. Is that a lift door? Oh, has he stopped? Is this dude climbing out of his cab and stopping for lunch? I think he's just taking his jacket off, actually, in the cab. It is a hot day. Look at the sky, guys. Look how beautiful the sky is, and the sea looks so blue. There's no wind today. It's a great day. At least we saw that bit get taken down. Look, we can see like the marble plinthy bit that goes round there. That's still there. Oh. Oh yeah, he's turned it on. Just for a second then I thought maybe he's breaking up for dinner. It is around 20 to 12, quarter to 12. So I want to be home for around 12:30 because I'm going to have to set up for work a couple of hours after that. So that's why I want to get home and I can eat before work. So I don't really eat in the morning. So I need to eat before I go to work because if I don't, I'll be like going a whole day without having any food. Let's get back to my filming spot, which was here, I think. And now we're just collecting these big chunks of bricks. I'm very impressed with how tidy and clean they've kept this site, how clean the road's been, how nice and tidy and swept the pavement's been. It's been a very methodical, clean, tidy, professionally done demolition, hasn't it? Still would like to see that big girder come out. Those machines are so mega strong, aren't they? The things you can pick up, and we saw that at St. Chad's, the way they were just picking up those massive gigantic blocks of concrete. And also they're very good at being delicate as well. But now we're just doing all the scoopy grabby stuff. Pull that out. Look how thick that wall is there. Look at that wall there. That is super duper thick. So are we going to be done by the end of the week? I think we're going to be done by the end of the week, aren't we? It's only Wednesday today. So we've got the full afternoon today. Oh, actually, I don't know, now you come to think of it. I don't think we'll be done by the end of the week. But I definitely think that the road will be open by the end of the week. Yeah, we're definitely getting towards the end now. Last corner. So that last bit with the elevator shaft on, that makes me think that we won't be done by the end of the week, because lift shafts do take longer to pull down, and they're going to have to pull it down really carefully. There's 3 people on the top of that roof now, look. Got to make sure I don't trip, because I'm walking really close to the fence and there's these things and I'm just like, trip. If we get a close-up dramatic shot for the last minute or so. Difficult to get a close-up dramatic shot when I can't see what I'm filming, because I can't see my camera screen because the sun's right in my face. Maybe if we stand here. That's close up. It's not very dramatic though, is it, guys? But that whole corner bit that was standing when we got here, it's all gone now, look. Just got that last girdery bit left to go. It's just randomly sticking up there. Imagine that's buried quite deeply into the concrete, so that's going to take a good old yank to get that out.
John!
So guys, this is where I'm going to have to love you and leave you. So I have to go and have some dinner and then go to work. But I definitely think there'll be other people coming to film in the afternoon, so anything I don't get, you guys won't miss, because there's plenty of folks filming this demolition. So you guys will get to see that last bit come down a bit more. But I think now it's around 12 o'clock, 12 PM, Sunday, no it's not Sunday, what we're talking about, 12 PM, Tuesday the 18th. I'm going to try a third time. It's 12 PM, Wednesday the 18th. Yeah, we knew that, didn't we? I don't know why sometimes, my brain just gets all like, there goes that girder. My brain just gets a little bit befuddled sometimes, and words come out of my mouth and I think, why have I said that? But yeah, I do sometimes just blurt out the wrong day and date. So yeah, Wednesday the 18th around 12 p.m. Waterloo Road outside the Hartes building, and I shall be back tomorrow morning, Thursday the 19th. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Goodbye.